Hello and welcome to today's CodeBook tutorial guide. In today's CodeBook guide we're going to be taking a quick look at the SQL Server prerequisites. CodeBook currently supports SQL Server Express and SQL Server Enterprise Edition. If we take a look at the differences between SQL Server Express and SQL Server Enterprise Edition, you'll note that the maximum data size for SQL Server Express is 10 gigabytes, as well as limiting to 4 cores and 1 gigabyte of memory. We can see that SQL Server Enterprise Edition has no such limitations. However, CodeBook will work with SQL Server Enterprise Edition and SQL Server Express in exactly the same way. Typically, the database sizes CodeBook deals with are well under 400 megabytes per database, so this falls within the scope of SQL Server Express. It is important to have a note that SQL Server Express has no inbuilt backup procedures, so this will need to be done in addition to the software. CodeBook supports SQL Server Express from 2008 right through to 2016. There are two prerequisites of using CodeBook with SQL Server. The first prerequisite is that the user who is using CodeBook on SQL Server must have the sysadmin role set, otherwise they'll be unable to connect to the CodeBook database. The second prerequisite is that a share folder on the CodeBook SQL Server is set up, so CodeBook can share data with the SQL Server on a local data directory. So when you open up CodeBook, you'll see server name and shared folder UNC path. If this is not set as a UNC path on the SQL Server, you may run into difficulties. These are the only two prerequisites for installing CodeBook on SQL Server. As regards for database setup and migration, all of this is taken care of inside the CodeBook application. So when CodeBook connects to the database server, it will create the database as needed and migrate any data selected. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact support@codebookinternational.com. Thank you.